If you've ever looked at sports betting odds and seen numbers like plus 150 or minus 200, you may look at them and think, what exactly does that mean? The good news is that sports betting odds are much simpler than they appear. In this video, I'll explain what a plus or a minus is, how point spreads work, and how sportsbooks use odds to create these spreads. Let's get started. Let's start with positive odds. If a team is listed at plus 150, technically they are the underdog. The number tells you how much profit you would make on a $100 bet. So if you bet $100 on a plus 150 team, you would win 150 if that underdog wins, plus get your original 100 back, so you'd turn 100 into a total of $250. Now let's look at negative odds. If a team is minus 150, that means they are considered the favorite. Negative odds tell you how much you need to put up to win $100. If a team is minus 150, you have to bet $150 in order to win $100. If you put in 150 and that favorite wins, you get $100 in profit and end up with $250. Now you'll also see point spreads as well. If a team is minus 7.5, that is how much they are expected to win by. If they win by 8 or more, then the bet wins. If they lose or only win by 7 or less points, then the bet loses. Now here's the key takeaway. Odds aren't predictions, they're probabilities. Sportsbooks use odds to estimate how likely something is to happen while also balancing their risk. That's why odds can change right before a game for injury news, weather, other betting activity, things like that. So to recap, positive odds show how much money you would win for a $100 bet. Negative odds show how much you need to risk in order to win $100. Point spreads are all about the end result. Is the team going to win by more or less than this point spread? And odds represent probability, not certainty. Once you understand these key concepts of the numbers behind sports betting, it becomes a lot more clear. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos on how money systems actually work. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.